Hello friends, welcome to World Explorer. Today we are discussing about a topic that is trolley and topic taco. So this is a very important concept for the PG NEET exam. What is trolley? Trolley is transfusion related acute lung injury. It is very rare but serious because it is very fatal condition to the patient. This can be observed within 6 hours after blood transfusion. It is because of activation of recipient neutrophils by the donor derived antibodies targeting human leukocyte antigen and also the human neutrophil antigen. This disease is life threatening. Next is TACO. This is transfusion associated circulatory overload, and in this we can see cardiogenic edema. In TACO it is because of clinical condition, and there may be patient is already having the diseases like cardiac or renal impairment. Even this is also a life-threatening condition. Now, what are the symptoms of trolley? This we are seeing during BT or within 6 hours after the blood transfusion, and the symptoms is rapid onset of dyspnea, rapid onset of tachypnea, fever, cyanosis, hypotension, respiratory distress, leukopenia, low brain natriuretic peptide, pulmonary crackles, volume overload, congestive heart failure, bilateral pulmonary edema. Bilateral pulmonary edema, it is non-cardiogenic, and you can see even the X-ray is becoming white out, and it even progressed to ARDS and acute hypoxemia, and you can see the normal ECG. So now we will see the difference between TACO and trolley. TACO appears within 6 hours after blood transfusion. Trolley also we can see within 6 hours after blood transfusion. Here we can see in the TACO it is cardiogenic edema, means patient is already having the cardiac condition. But in trolley we are not seeing any condition in the patient. These symptoms are developed only after the blood transfusion. So in the TACO we can see the patient is having already cardiac or renal impairment, and even there is a positive fluid balance. But in trolley we are going to see anti-leukocyte antibodies or biological response modifiers. And neck veins are distended in TACO because there is already cardiac abnormalities. In trolley it is normal. When you are auscultation, you can see rails S3 in TACO. You can see rails in trolley but no S3 sound. And blood pressure, you can see hypertension in TACO and hypotension in trolley. Leukocyte antibodies are absent in TACO, but these are present in the trolley. And post transfusion cytokines, you can see IL-6 IL-10 is increased in TACO, whereas IL-6 IL-8 increased in the trolley. Prevention: use BT only for appropriate indications, and develop blood utilization guidelines, blood conservation programs, and proper reporting of these reactions, because these are very fatal reactions. So these are some of the fatal complications after blood transfusion: allergy, anaphylaxis, viral contamination, parasite contamination, hemolytic transfusion reaction that is related to ABO or non-ABO, hypotensive reaction, TACO and trolley. These are the possible microbial contaminations: Enterobacter aerogenus, coagulase negative Staphylococcus, Pseudomonas fluorescens, Babesia microti, Staphylococcus aureus, Serratia marcinus, Staphylococcus epidermidis, Acinetobacter species, Enterococcus faecium, Enterobacter aerogenus, West Nile virus. These are the references from which I have taken this data. Thank you.